Hey there, welcome to TGM's Legal Nuggets, where knowledge meets inspiration. If you're looking for insightful content that informs, empowers, and transforms, this is the place to be. Don't miss out. Hit the subscribe button now and turn on notifications. Join the community and let us grow together. See you inside. Hello there, welcome again to TGM's Legal Nuggets. Of course, today we're going to be discussing. Okay. Una don't catch me. Una know the way we dey run am now based on making for no lost. This na TGM Legal Nugget. But before we say okay, make we go over to wetin we get today. We say make we appreciate una, those of una wey be say una dey support us, una dey subscribe to our YouTube channel, una dey follow us on Facebook, una dey follow us on Instagram. We appreciate una. If una no dey there, na say dem for don carry us go where you no know. Based on the matter now, no reason am o. You know the way the thing dey be now. Okay, so as we don run am like that, okay, make we go over to today's issue. Today's issue we wan talk about dey very sensitive, and very sensitive in the sense say that thing don dey cause too much kasala for inside dis obodo Naija wey we dey like this. So now, wetin be that issue wey we wan talk about? That issue wey we wan talk about now na dis herdsmen killing and destruction of farmland wey e be say e don dey happen now. The thing don dey shele wella now for Nigeria as I dey talk to you so. You understand? So wetin we dey talk about na dis herdsmen killings and destruction of farmlands for inside obodo Naija. But before we start to dey talk or dig deep into the matter like this, make we come know who be all dis herdsmen sef. I know say one of una go don hear herdsmen, but who be dis herdsmen? Dis herdsmen na people wey be say dey carry their cow, their nama from one community to the other. Dey look for grass wey be say dis nama or cow go chop, as the case may be. You understand? Because basically, if you say make dem just dey one place, to dem e go dey difficult say you go dey see grass dey give the nama, and furthermore carrying dem from one place to the other na part of exercise for the nama, so e dey help for their growth, their well-being and all those kind things. Couple with the fact say these people wey dey do these things, so dem be na their culture be that, na their tradition be that, so the thing don dey used to them. You understand? Na wetin dem take grow up. You get? So na their culture say when you reach a particular age, by the time you don fit dey lead cow, dey carry them from one place to the other, na im be say you sef you don become a man. Na also part of their means of livelihood, the way dem take dey survive themselves, as a people. So na all those nama be that. And another thing be say those people predominantly for the current day Nigeria, those people predominantly na from the northern part of Nigeria na im dem dey. Dem no too dey for the southern part. But of course, based on say Nigeria na one, so those wey dey for south fit come north, those wey dey for north fit go south, move to east, west. You understand? Just dey move your things like that, make for no loss. You understand? Based on say na one country. You get? But if you come look am now, you come realize say in recent time, although that wahala go don dey o, but now wey be say this modern time now, things don dey change. Katakata go come dey between all these herdsmen wey dey carry their cow from one place to the other and people wey be say dey do farm. You yourself you go agree with me say no be only cattle rearing or moving your cattle from one place to the other na be the only way wey people go take make money. In fact, God don do am say when you plant something for the ground, the thing go grow. You fit come bring am out, come sell am give people wey need am. So wetin we dey try to talk now be say farmers dey too, wey be say their own culture, their own way of life, their own way of trying to bring out a means of livelihood for themselves na to make sure say dem go till the ground, dem go dig the ground, dem come plant, the thing come grow, then so that dem go fit sell am take meet some of their other needs. You understand the way the matter dey be? So now these people wey dey carry their cow up and down and people wey be say dem their own na to dey plant so that the thing fit grow, make dem fit see food chop and things like that. Issues come dey. Wetin come be the issue now? The people wey dey dig the ground dey say una know say we dey dig this ground, and before something go grow e go take a longer time. Now when the thing don dey grow, people wey be say dey carry cow, una go come carry una cow come dey chop that thing wey be say e don take time and months and years to take grow. Say that thing no good. So because of that thing now, they come dey get katakata with people wey dey carry cow. People wey dey carry cow up and down say sometimes we don pay the community leaders, and after we don pay them, e mean say anywhere wey we wan enter for inside the community, na we go fit enter, we fit do wetin we like. They come dey go chop that thing, and the thing no good. The thing don cause so many problems like this for inside obodo Naija wey we dey so. Now, where be some of those places wey be say this kind thing don happen? In fact, recently as I dey talk to you now like this, for Ondo State, people dey protest there say this thing dey happen. Farmers wey dey there wey dey plant, dey say these people dey kill us oo. In fact, dem report say dem carry for Ondo now, say dem report say dem carry some dead body come inside the community wey all these herdsmen don kill. That one na for Ondo. You no dey talk about the one wey be say dey happen for inside Enugu State. Enugu State, one boy follow im mama go farm, na so dem kpai the boy there oo. Then the little girls, small girls wey dey help their parents, dey do running around and all that. They say the herdsmen dey take them enter corner, go dey do one or two. You understand? So then even say that one sef no even reach o. The one or two wey dem dey do now, so say dem dey use their stick, dey put am for the wrong place for inside those young girls body. Say dem even dey kill the men. If the men come out come talk say this thing wey you dey do no good o, why una dey do am and stuff like that, say all these herdsmen go kill them. Even the women, they no fit go again because the herdsmen dey carry them, dey go do one or two. And why e be say the herdsmen dey get this power? Dem come dey talk say these herdsmen now, say dem dey carry kala. You know the one they dey call kala na AK-47, no those kind matter. You know the way the matter dey be. Say all these herdsmen dey carry kala, dey enter inside the bush. You understand? So when they don carry kala like this, they themselves wey no get anything to take defend themselves, how they want to defend themselves? So those herdsmen go come dey oppress them. So na all those things dey cause the katakata. So apart from Ondo State, apart from Enugu State, also for inside Bayelsa State too, that thing dey for there. In fact, one popular musician for Nigeria now, we hear say in tweet recently say something like that don happen for Bayelsa State. They call the government, make the government come try to protect them. Say because the thing don reach them na neck now, na make that popular Nigerian musical artist come out, tweet about the whole thing. So if you look am throughout the country, even for Jos, that thing dey happen. They don kill people wella for Jos. For Benue, that thing too. The thing dey very, very common there. Dem dey use am dey kill people wey dey that place like say tomorrow no dey. You understand? Based on the matter like this. So throughout the country now, even for Delta, Edo, all these herdsmen, dem dey inside the bushes. And the thing be say dem dey na inside bush most of the time dem dey stay. Even community people wey be say dem no even, wey dem dey the community, dem no even know some of all those bushes wey all those herdsmen people know. So the question wey go come our mind now be say, for this Nigeria wey we don dey like this, shey dem still dey do acquisition of land by conquest? Because sometimes these people go just come, dem go enter your land, dem no go tell you, then dem go start to dey occupy the place. Say on top say the land, Nigeria na free place. So anywhere wey dem wan go, say the law make am say anybody fit move from one part of the country to another part of the country. But of course, if you dey move from one part of the country, that one na movement o, you dey free. But when you move from one place go another place, you suppose follow the law wey dey that place. Acquire a property so that you go fit properly settle there. People wey know you, or wey dey dat environment or wey dey dat locality, wey dey dat community, dem go know you. Den dem go know how dem go dey follow you dey rapport, you understand, based on the matter. But no be so. Dem just dey move, dey enter the bush, dey do their. So na dis thing now come dey cause the katakata between the farmers. Farmers dey say we don suffer. You no fit just dey bring your cow come make dem come dey eat our crop. The thing no make sense. So dat thing don cause fight for, in fact, throughout Nigeria, Taraba, Jos, Enugu State, Benue, Bayelsa, Delta, Edo, Ondo State. All these places like this, and even more states for Nigeria now, everybody dey complain about these people. So now, with all these complaints wey don dey, say dem even dey, apart from say dem, the animals dey chop the farm crops, the economic crops wey dey there, dem girls dey complain say these herdsmen dey use dem do one or two. Dey abuse dem. Even the women too wey dey, dem use dem do one or two. So tey dem dey put stick for place wey dem no suppose put am for the women body. You understand all those kind matter? Then dem dey kill the men. So if dem just by mistake say dem wan get up come start to dey fight for their right, before you know, those people go come for night come invade the community, just dey kill people, dey go like that. And the thing no make sense. The thing don dey common now, so tey dem don dey see am as a normal thing. So now the question wey we come dey wan talk now be say, wetin the government need to do to come, try to stop all these things? No be say the government never really take some steps. So the government don take some steps, but wetin we dey talk now be say the government never really do enough. You understand? Because you no fit say you dey inside one country wey be say the country you dey say na law dey regulate the country. Then some set of people go come dey wey be say dem go just move enter anywhere for that country, go dey destroy things. Dey say the place na their own, do how dem like. If dem enter community, dem no go take permission from people wey dey that community to say, okay, give us land make we stay, and dem no go abide by the law wey dey for that land. The thing no make sense like that. So but anyways, some of the steps wey be say government don take be say, the government come look the matter now, come say, okay, fine, farmers una dey one side, herdsmen una dey one side. So for herdsmen, wetin una go dey do now? Make una no dey carry una cow and una animals dey move up and down. In fact, if una dey move am up and down like that, e dey against the law. So instead, make una try to see whether una go fit buy land, come create something wey dem dey call ranch, wey una animals go dey. Then when the animals dey there, anything wey una wan feed dem, una go carry am come from outside, come give the animals for inside that place. Say na so na the thing go be. You understand? So now, that law wey we dey talk about, so federal government don do e own. Federal government do e own. States like Ekiti, Ondo, Delta, and some other states for the country too, Benue, they don do their own law to make sure say all these herdsmen no go dey carry their cow, you understand, dey move from place to place. You get? So that law now, as we dey talk now, dey enforce for those states wey be say they don domesticate am, they don make am as law for inside those states. So anybody wey dey rear cow, just know say as you dey rear the cows, dey carry am from one place to the other, you must know the law, because ignorance of the law no be excuse, and you must work according to the law. Na wetin the law talk na you go do. You understand? So now, if these herdsmen come say, no, we no wan follow the law, we no go wan do as we like, na mean say they don dey commit offense be that. Right? They don dey commit offense. So now, if dem come dey commit all this offense, wetin be some of the laws wey be say e don dey, wey government don put in place? Because government don look and say, oh, this kind things fit happen. So government don put up some laws in place to make sure say e take care of all this kind situation. You understand? So number one, the Land Use Act don talk am say, if you wan acquire land like this, na you go use take acquire the land. So if you no acquire the land like that for Nigeria, na be say you no dey follow the law. Right? Then that anti-grazing law, anti-open grazing law, wey be say e dey for Nigeria generally, then some states too don domesticate their own, don do for their selves, for themselves. Say this law go dey, that one sef dey. Say dem no wan see anybody carry cow or animal dey waka from place to place. You understand? Then we also talk and say some of all these herdsmen, dem dey enter community. Some places for Jos and Benue, even for Enugu, Ebonyi state too, particularly, dem go just enter community, dem go just start to dey kpai people. So when you enter community like that, you just start to dey kpai people like that for no just cause. Even if una get wahala before, that one no mean say you fit take the life of another person. When you dey kill like that in large quantity and number, that thing wey you dey do now na that offense now dey under the Anti-Terrorism Act. Because that thing now, you don dey declare yourself now to be a terrorist for say you fit kill large number of people, at the same time. And that thing no good for our obodo Naija. So then we get other laws like the ones wey we dey talk for our other videos, the Penal Code, the Criminal Code Act, Penal Code Act, the Criminal Code Law, Penal Code Law, wey be say the law dey for the states, the act na for FCT for Abuja. You understand? So all those laws dey too, wey be say e dey guide the actions of all these people. Now the government don try to make sure say dem put all these laws in place, and any other laws wey be say we never mention now. Some other little ones dey wey be say we never, but the major one be that. Those laws wey we don talk about now, just for emphasis again, make we just emphasize them. We get the Penal Code, we get the Criminal Code, we get the Land Use Act, then we get the anti-open grazing laws of each of the states, and we also get that anti-open grazing act for the federal level. That one, e get particular name wey dem dey call am. Then we get the Anti-Terrorism Act, Terrorism Prohibition and Prevention Act. Then also we get the Violence Against Persons Prohibition Act. You understand? So all these laws wey we don talk about now, na im be the laws wey be say dey regulate all this action wey be say all these herdsmen dey carry out. Say dem go just enter place, dem no go take permission, dem go just start to dey stay there, dem go enter place, dem go dey do anyhow with the young girls wey dey there, and even the women wey dey there, dey abuse them. Dem go just enter place, dey kill the young men wey dey there. You understand? For no just cause. Dem go enter place, carry their cow, dey chop people farmland wey they don suffer, you understand, to grow. So all these things na the laws, all these laws wey we don state, so wey we don mention earlier now, na im be the law wey be say dey regulate all this action wey all these herdsmen dey carry. But the problem now be say the government like to dey dem like to dey enact law. They try to dey put law in place. Of course, we give them accolades, we appreciate them, but the problem is that they don't know how to enforce them. It dey very difficult for them to enforce the law, because some of those laws dey there, people no even dey do anything with the law. Although we know say ignorance of the law dey so, but of course the government needs to try to look for a way to see say these laws dey enforceable. For example, now if I come say herdsman don carry cow enter my farmland, you understand, say the police go arrest the person immediately or put the cows under custody. Wetin be the mechanism or the things wey be say the government don put in place so that police go fit effectively carry that cow, come arrest them until the person pay for the damages wey im don cause for my farmland? You understand? So now, where people wey be say they no dey stay for a proper accommodation within a particular local community, and they come abuse your girl child, your wife, and so on and so forth. How you want to come see them, come bring them into custody? You understand? So these are some of the challenges wey be say e dey there, and the thing no good. The government needs to begin to dey look for way, practical way, feasible ways, that is realistic ways wey be say if dem wan tackle that problem, dem go nip am for the bud, dem go put the nail on the head and nail am say okay, we don solve this problem. The government needs to come dey see how dem fit take enforce this law. You understand? So now wey we don talk about the laws wey dey there, and we don identify say the problem na how dem go fit take enforce the law, because the law don dey there. How dem go take enforce am, how dem go take execute the law, how dem go take make sure say the law itself now dey applicable, that is you fit use am take address the issue wey you wan address. Wetin be some of the things wey be say the government need to do to take use the law take solve the problem? You don put the law now, you understand? We know say the law don dey there, but wetin be some of the things wey be say you go fit do to come make sure say the law now dey touch the lives of the people wey dey that place, so that the people go see say this law dey work? You understand? So we need to look at that area, but that thing na two-way thing. You understand? You wey be the farmer wey be say herdsman dey come destroy your crop and your things wey dey there. You understand? You yourself, you need to help yourself first, right? Before the government now go come do you. The government go do you, no go look for practical steps. We go talk about that one, but make we talk about the part of the farmer first. So we'll talk about the farmer first, because you as a farmer, like am or not, you get role to play for this whole thing. So number one, you must make sure say that, as in fact, if you dey there when dem dey destroy your crop, make sure say you put am under record. If you get phone, record am. Record the cows, or take pictures of the cows wey dey eat your crop. You understand? You must make sure say the pictures wey you dey take so dey very clear, say you capture these people as dem dey do am. If dem carry kala, dem carry AK-47 or any gun, or dem carry dangerous weapon, dey far from them wey you dey do this thing. You understand? So that make the thing no come result to you losing your life at the end of the day. You understand? So you must keep proper record. Now after you don't take that record, you must move to the next stage, right? Now apart from the record, you must make sure say you take evidences to pictures or recordings of the footprint of the cows. If they are the cow dung, that is, na their shit and all that, if you did take record to show say na cows na actually do this damage for the place. So you must keep all those ones handy first, keep them for one corner. After you don't do them, then you go come go there when they don't come out, when you know say the place don't dey clear. You go come make sure say you do a detailed assessment, a record, keep a record, a book keeping record of the damages wey be say they don cause. So if your land na say maybe now your land na 1 plot or maybe 2 plots, 1 acre and so on and so forth, you go come take record say na the entire 1 acre or na 1 plot, the crop wey dey that expanse na in them. Then you go try to come put value for inside that crop. So if your crop don reach maturity, say you suppose to don start to dey sell, you suppose come calculate your crop inside that portion of the land, keep record and say na the amount of money wey I suppose get be this. You understand? If like say this animals no come chop my crop, na wetin I suppose get. So you suppose do a record, keep am for one side. So after you don get evidence now, the next thing wey you need to do na to come go report to the police. You understand? You go report to the police. You go keep some for yourself. No say you carry everything go give the police now. Keep some for yourself, but carry enough evidence so they show everything, including your report. Carry am go give the police, right? Then you go write your statement down. So now if you come see say those people dey always come the area, the cow, the herdsmen and the cow dey come the area, then you and the police go come plan on when una go fit get them into custody. You understand? So when dem arrest the people wey dey lead the cow, they can then think of a way of putting the cows somewhere until the owner of the cow come. You understand? So when the owners of the cow come, you and the police fit come negotiate. If you don't know the owner of the car, you fit still go court, go do civil action so that you go get damages. If you look am say the police no fit help you solve this thing, as far as you don't know the owner, from there you go come, try to see how you go bring a civil action to take, sort yourself out, get damages for the damage wey they don do for inside your farm. So that one na on the one hand from the farmer. Then the government needs to make sure say dem get specialized police officers or people wey be say go fit dey arrest all these animals. They must also make sure say dem get facility wey dey take care in case dem arrest animal. E get places wey be say dem go fit keep them until the owner go come pay for the damage wey dem cause. You understand? Then before you go release them. Then they must also make sure say all these people obey the law by not just moving around for town for where people dey stay. Sometimes for airports, for videos and pictures wey we don see, airports, for airport runway, you go see cows dey chop grass there. The thing no make sense. They just dey carry them up and down, and the thing no speak well for us. Then again, as a community, not as individual now, wetin we go fit do? Wetin we go fit do to make sure say we solve all these problems? Now, the association of people wey be say dey sell cow, dey carry cow, dey move up and down, they must be registered with the government such that dem go get a CAC registered name. They must be registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission. So document go show say this association dey registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission, right? So then these herdsmen people, na people wey get the cow wey the herdsmen dey carry up and down, dem go register with the local government chairman. Then they go register with the local traditional ruler wey dey for that place. You understand? Dem go register there so that the people wey dey there go know the herdsmen and go also know the people wey get cow for inside that community, so that when a new cow come in or when a new herdsman come in, everybody go fit identify say no, this one not join part of us. You understand? And then those wey get cows, as your cow dey born or as you dey buy new cow, you go dey write your name wey the community know on top the body of your cow. For all your cow, you go write am very boldly so that dem go know say na you get this cow. So that in case something happen, na you dem go fit pinpoint say na your cow na im do this destruction. Then if no be your cow, say na new person na im come in, that organization, that wey don register na the heads wey register with government and wey register with the local community, the local government chairman and local community for that place, go fit easily source out the person wey be say im cow cause that damage. Because obviously that cow no go get anything for a body to show say so and so person get am. So it go mean say that cow or the people wey dey lead that cow na new people for that community. So if these herdsmen wey don register with the government now no want damages for the thing wey be say other cows go come cause for inside that community wey dem dey, then if other new people dey come, na dem go first warn those people say make dem no carry out that act. If not, na dem wey register na im go dey liable for the damages. So once dem dey hold them liable for the damage, dem go dey on the lookout. They make sure say any foreign cow wey dey come in, dem guide the people wey dey lead that cow properly on how to go about am. So if those foreign cows cause damage, na people wey dey registered na im go pay for the damage, because na dem know. You understand? So if dem fit put this framework in place all the cow rearers and people wey get cow, dem go register with the government, with the corporate affairs commission. After they don register, dem go drop their certificate and their names, all their names, dem go drop am for the local government chairman and the local traditional ruler office wey dey there. Dem go drop their names there. Any new person wey dey come must be registered under. If not, they get the right to chase that person comot, because if any damage is caused by those wey be say don register, dem go fit easily identify, because dem go write the name of the owner for each of the cows. So if name no dey for the cow, na im be say na people from outside. So that person now, the organization, that new organization now go fit easily sort out that person. You understand? So that the person go pay for damages. Issues no go come there, because you know people wey you go fit hold responsible. So once that framework no dey like this, e go dey really really hard. You understand? So wetin we dey talk in essence be say proper evidence must dey. You must document everything wey you dey do by way of proper evidence. The agreement wey una go enter, as dem dey write, they submit their certificate with the local traditional ruler, with the local government chairman, then go sign agreement say they no go do so and so thing. Say if anything happen, as far as say dem fit prove am say na cows na cause that thing, we go dey liable. Then they must also make sure say dem rent a place within that community wey be say their cows fit stay. Even though dem fit carry their cows go out, go there, look for grass and so on and so forth, in the night dem get a place where dem dey pay rent wey be say their cows fit stay. If you know say you no fit do am, move out. So once the community get information say people no dey abide by all these principles, they can easily report and then chase them out of the community. By so doing, peace go dey. No be everything be war, be fight. So you need to be strategic, you understand, in your solution. And by the time you don't put all these things, the willpower to enforce them must always be there too. Because if the people don't know say you know them, and them know say you know them, say na them they do this kind of thing for inside that place, them no go wan carry out anything wey dey against the law, because them know say you go fit hold them accountable. So proper evidence keeping, proper bookkeeping, everything put down in writing, black and white, to show that the consequences of doing this, that, be that in terms of agreement. So by so doing, peace go dey inside the community. So we just say, okay, make we talk about this issue one kind, make it for no loss, make we give 1 or 2 recommendations. But this issue wey we don talk now is not exhaustive. Una know say we dey like to leave windows, you understand, so that people go fit give 1 or 2 comments. So based on the matter like this, I know say una get 1 or 2 comments, make una drop am for the comment section. Make una try to suggest a way forward wey the government go fit use to take sort this issue. So now we dey call out on the President Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, make him come look into this issue, because a lot of people dey buy up and down because of this herdsmen killing throughout the country. No make sense. Everybody for almost all the states wey dey this country dey complain about herdsmen. Not be only them dey in Naija now. Other people dey live peacefully. So when dem come a new place, make them make sure say they identify with those people, work in line with the laws wey dey there, let them be registered, let them contribute to the economy. You understand? By paying rent, spending their monies there. Anyone wey dey there fit carry am go back to wherever them come from. You understand? So based on the matter, we appreciate una for being there. Make una like play, make una just dey follow us on Facebook, TGM Amiwere Esquire, on Instagram, Soteria_TV, and then on YouTube, make una subscribe to our YouTube channel, Soteria TV. So based on the matter now, we're going to bring una more videos like this to educate una and to inform una, and also we dey call out the government of the day, both federal and state, make them do something about this thing. Oh yeah, now make una put una comment there. Now we go see una again for our next video. Bye bye, and thank you for being there. We appreciate una.